Let's start. Warte!
I'm at this point, the engine is back together. One thing I had to install different is the generator here. Maybe you saw on the last video it had this place here, but it was not right, and that's why I had to correct that. Now everything looks good. The new cam is back in, new lifters are in, and I'm at this point now to start the car. But I'm really not motivated to do that. I just hope this time break-in will work. And yeah, I think we start the car now.
Okay, let's start. Warte! Da filmt's, ja. Gut.
Bis jetzt läuft er schon, ja.
Und willst du noch etwas sagen?
Ja, nimm es raus.
Warte schnell.
Willst du es nicht rausnehmen?
Nein.
Zum Halten.
Passt.
Okay. So, first 20 minutes successfully done. No strange engine noise. No noise from the tappets. No noise from the camshaft. I'm very happy that these 20 minutes are successful. Now change the oil, check everything, and then need to go to the street and look if everything keeps up. But so far, I'm pretty happy. My partial engine rebuild is done, finally. I'm very happy. You saw the engine was starting up really quick. The engine break-in process was successful. In between I changed the oil. There's new break-in oil in it right now. There's a new filter in it. I started the car a few times. It really sounds great, especially with the MagnaFlow exhaust. It sounds really great. I was setting the timing. Try to tune the carburetor, but it's not so easy. I will do that on the street then. But in general, everything is really cool. There's no leak, everything looks great. So that is really great. Yeah, I cannot wait to take that car for a spin, but this is the problem right now. It's winter outside. I mean, it's nice weather, it's not a lot of snow. But the problem is on the street there's so much salt right now. You see that on my daily car. It really looks terrible. So I don't want to take the Trans Am for a spin and then put it in the garage like that. So it will stay here. In maybe 2 or 3 months I will go ahead, maybe replace the suspension, we will see. And yeah, until then you have to wait for the next video. There's just one thing I need to do. I want to say thank you very much for watching. I'm so happy about every view, every like, and so just thank you very much. Yeah, see you next time. Nicest greetings from Switzerland. Bye bye.